Good evening, everybody. Today is a very special occasion. Today is a very special occasion for the Iyer family on this joyful occasion of Aditya's Arangetram. This is the first step in Aditya's future journey, exploring the beauty and divinity of Carnatic music. It's our great pleasure to welcome our chief guest, the one and only Sangeeta Kalanidhi's Bombay sisters, C. Saroja and C. Lataji. Our beloved music guru, Acharya Savitri Ramananji and family. Our guest of honor, Swami Pratik Bodanandaji of Asha Vidya Gurukulam. Aditya's karate master, Sabhavanam Linda Mori. Our other special guests, Drs. Dayanidhi, Dr. and Mrs. Swaminathan, and most importantly, the faculty and staff of the Academy of Health and Medical Sciences in RVCC. We also, both of us, Lalita and myself, extend our welcome to our friends and family and all our supporters who have wished well for this occasion. We seek your blessings and well wishes for the success of Aditya's Arangetram and his future. This is actually a very special day in Aditya's life. Many of you may not know, he actually graduated from this college. So he holds a dual degree, not only a high school diploma, but also an associate degree in science from RVCC. So it's very special for him, and this has been his home for 4 years. It's also my great pleasure to welcome the musicians, the senior musicians concert today. I should definitely say a special word for them. Mr. Balaskandan on the violin, Mr. Murli Balachandran Mirdangam, and Mr. Ramana Anjanakumar on the ghattam. We look forward to a feast of great violin and percussion music from this stalwart trio. I would like to read a brief message from our Pujya Swamiji. So he writes, Dear Lalita, my best wishes to Aditya for Sangeeta Arangetram program on the 16th. I'm also happy to hear that he's going to do his bioengineering in California. My blessings to him. With love, Dayananda. It cannot have a greater blessing than Pujya Swamiji's blessing. Aditya was also lucky to spend some summer camps at Gurukulam with Sri Maharajapuram Ramachandranji. So he has also sent his blessings for the occasion. He writes, very happy to hear about the Arangetram of Chiranjeevi Aditya and wish the function a grand success. Many Ashirvadams to him for his debut performance. And he goes on to write and talk about Salisbury. So thank you so much for that also. I don't want to sort of drag on. I know the music is important, but before I leave, I have a piece of advice for Aditya, which for me, Tirukkural is a couplet in Tamil. There are 1,330. So I grew up learning Tirukkural. So it's sort of the epitome of Tamil culture. And it's almost like Confucianism, right? It's a set of do's and don'ts. So I have one Tamil Kural that says, Kedil Vizhchelvam Kalvi Oruvarkku Madalla Matra Yavai. The meaning goes as, one's learning alone is one's indestructible and outstanding wealth. Nothing else possesses this special value. So the context in which I want to give this to Aditya is, as parents we feel that Aditya's Carnatic music and various cultural things that is imbibed from Hinduism is a jewel of his education, along with his academic education. And hopefully this will be the pillar of his future life. So that is my and Lalita's personal sort of blessings to Aditya for this occasion. So with that, I thank all of you for coming. Please enjoy the concert, and there will be dinner after that. Thank you.
Before we begin, I'd like to briefly say a few words about the esteemed artists on the stage today, as well as a few words about the star of tonight's performance, Aditya. I'd like to start with Vidwan Sri A.R. Balaskandan on the violin. A.R. Balaskandan is a performer and teacher of Carnatic violin. He completed his basic training in both violin and mridangam at a young age. He received his formal training in violin from Sri Sarveshwara Sharma and obtained his teaching degree. He is currently receiving advanced training from Srimati P. Rukmini of Chennai. He is also a disciple of Guru Karikuri Parmani on Mridangam Balaskandan is based in Manhattan and performs widely in the United States and Canada. He has accompanied established international artists and dancers and has performed in prestigious venues in Chennai, Europe, and North America. He also has many large music and dance productions to his credit. He has also recently started an Indian percussion ensemble called Akshara, which features South Indian rhythms and melodies. Vidwan Shri A.R. Balaskandan. On Mridangam, we have Vidwan Shri Murli Balachandran. Shri Balachandran hails from a family of dancers and musicians. He studied Mridangam under his father, Dr. C.G. Balachandran, and was introduced to Bharatanatyam by his mother, Srimati Usha Balachandran. Murli is a versatile percussionist who is equally at ease playing traditional Indian instruments like the Mridangam, the Ganjira, the Tabla, the Ghatam, and the Morsing. Murli is based in New York City and has accompanied leading and musicians in various countries including New Zealand, Canada, and Indonesia. He has performed on Broadway and at major venues like the Lincoln Center, the American Museum of Natural History, the Smithsonian, and the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Sri Murli Balachandran. On Ghatam today, we have Vidwan Mridanga Jyoti Sri Ramana Indrakumar. Sri Indrakumar started his training in Mridangam at the age of 11 under Vidwan Sri Vasudevan Rajalingam. Through his guru, Ramana has had advanced training from various Mridangists such as Neveli Sri Venkatesh and Puvalur Sri Sriji Ramana. He has not just pursued the Mridangam but also the percussion instruments of Ghatam and Ganjira. Ramana has performed in many venues across North America and Europe with several talented artists. He was awarded with the title Mridanga Jyoti by the Varasiddhi Vinayaka Temple of Canada in acknowledgement of his achievements in the field of music and in his contribution to Carnatic music and Carnatic society in Canada. He started his school, Chandam Institute of Percussive Studies, in 2003 and is currently teaching the Mridangam and other percussion instruments in Toronto and Calgary. Sri Ramana Indrakumar. Kumari Divya Mary James on the tambura. Divya is a music and dance student of Muktabra Fine Arts and is under the tutelage of Srimati Savitri Raman. Divya completed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram in 2006 and is currently completing her master's degree at Long Island University in Healthcare and Public Administration. She enjoys traveling, teaching, and recording music. Kumari Divya Mary James. Last but not least, a few words about Aditya. Aditya Iyer has been learning Carnatic vocal music for the past 13 years. He is currently a student of Muktabra Fine Arts under the tutelage of Srimati Savitri Ramanand. He initially took lessons with Srimati Vijaya Venkatesh. He has been fortunate to learn many songs from Arsha Kalabhushan Sri Maharajapuram Ramachandran and has participated in several music workshops organized by the Arsha Vidya Gurukulam in Pennsylvania with the blessings of Pujya Swamiji Sri Dayananda Saraswati. As part of Muktabra Fine Arts, he has participated in several vocal performances in the tri-state area. In high school, Aditya was recognized for his many accomplishments in academics and extracurricular activities. He is a National Honor Society member and a 5-star Pi Theta Kappa member. Aditya was selected by the Academy for Health and Medical Sciences at the Somerset County Vocational and Technical High School as a Student of the Month in 2013 for his academic excellence and teamwork, and selected as the valedictorian for his class of 2014. Aditya also allocates his time to community service at the Long Hill Squad. He is a New Jersey State Certified EMT. He also helps for fundraising at the Heart and Hands for the Handicapped, an organization created to help children with developmental disabilities. In addition, Aditya serves the community as a karate instructor and is a third-degree black belt for the Subak-do Korean martial art. Aditya has been awarded the Associate's degree in General Sciences at the Raritan Valley Community College and has graduated as a summa cum laude on May 17, 2014. This fall, Aditya will be a freshman at the College of Engineering, University of California in Berkeley, and will continue his community service as an EMT. At this time, please give a warm welcome to all the esteemed artists on the stage: Vidwan A.R. Balasandan, Vidwan Murli Balachandran, Vidwan Indra Ramana Kumar, Kumari Divya Mary James, and last but certainly not least, a big round of applause for the star of tonight's performance, Master Aditya Iyer.
me